Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a review of this tow truck I've made, and it's a custom MOC, so I've made it by myself, and it's basically that garbage truck from set 10704, but I've just taken off the back and this bit, which is supposed to be the thing that's supposed to take out the trash. There used to be pins right here, which would knock it out. Instead, I've used my own hinges and attached them to this piece so that we can use them for lifting up cars. So for example, I'm gonna use this custom taxi I've made, which I'll show you in a later video. And I'm gonna use it on this ramp, and then we can just push it up and drive off. Now, I'm gonna bring in my bus here to test this truck's strength that I've done in another video. So let's lift it up. Yep, it's about as strong enough to carry a bus. It's just, yeah, that happens. And also, it can go up pretty high, like this. That's kind of cool. And the cab is just the exact same as set 10704. And these tile pieces are fresh, and obviously they're smooth, and they work with tires really well. So you can just get the tires to lock. This, it goes up, and then you can just park on it. And it goes away. Okay, now let's bring it back, show you how to unload it. So let's just put it down, and there you go. So now let's put our taxi and our bus away. And let's end today's video. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!